In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Docusign document for signature in 5 minutes. First, sign in to your Docusign account. If you're new, make sure you have access to the email you used to register so you can receive confirmations and signer replies. Once you're in, look for the Start button and choose Send an Envelope. Think of an envelope as the container that holds everything for this send: your files, your recipients, your message, and the rules for how it moves. Next, add your documents. You can upload from your computer or connect cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. PDF and DOCX files work great. If you have multiple documents, arrange them in the order you want recipients to read and sign. Clear, final versions reduce back and forth later. Now add your recipients by entering their names and email addresses and define their roles. Typically, that's someone who needs to sign or someone who simply receives a copy. Double check spelling here. A typo will delay delivery. You can include yourself if you need to sign as well. If you want the document to move in a specific sequence, enable the signing order. Assign numbers to each recipient. Lower numbers act first. Recipients with the same number receive the envelope at the same time, which is helpful for parallel reviews. When you're ready to place fields, click next to open the editing view. You'll see your document in the center and tools on the sides. Drag and drop fields like signature, date signed, name, and text from the left panel onto your document. Use the recipient selector to ensure each field is assigned to the right person. Color coding helps you keep track. Place signature and date fields near the appropriate signature lines, and use text fields for information you need the signer to provide. Zoom in for precise placement and avoid covering existing text. On the right sidebar, you can fine-tune each field. Mark critical fields as required so signers can't finish without completing them. Set validation for things like numbers, dates, or email formats to prevent mistakes. Add a brief tooltip to explain what belongs in a field, and adjust character limits or formatting if needed. Take a final look through your document, confirm every signer has the correct fields and that your message and subject line are clear. When it all looks good, click Send. Your recipients will receive an email with a secure link to review and sign, and you'll be able to track progress and completion right from your Docusign dashboard.